All right, let's take a look at questions 7 and 8 for the hands-on. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. Question 7 is doing the frequency function. So if I scroll down here, the first step is to select the area where we want the results to go. So what is that? In the instructions, it tells us I-12 through I-14. Then we can start typing our frequency function. So if I start typing like any function, it fills in. So I'm just hitting tab on the keyboard, that's all. And then in the instructions, it walks us through. I can't display all of that on the screen. So you can get this from your instructions. The first one is the F4 through F53, right? We're pulling this information from our little like database of data over in the F column, days absent. So it's F4 through F53 compared to H12 through H14, which is there. You can see the comparison set of data, through H14. Might help if I spell it right. We are going to close up that frequency function and, close up that set of frequency function, and we do divide by 50, and that's up above. It shows us the sample size that we're comparing it to, again, pulling that from the instructions. And then I haven't done anything. I've just typed that in the formula bar. So now on my keyboard, I'm going to press and hold Control, press and hold Shift, and then just press Enter to get those results to pop in. And then you have to do, I think this might be the next, sometimes students get stuck on that. You got to scroll all the way down because the last part of the instructions require us to format it to be percentage, and then it'll flip. Yay, then that's what triggers it to go on to question 8. Okay, and question 8 is just a dumb little trick. We're going to put in that add-in, so we're going to do it just like we did the solver. So down under options, add-ins, it's set to do the Excel add-ins, which is exactly what we need, so I'll click go, and it's the first one, not the second one, and then click OK. And that should, there it goes, advance you on. Those are those 2 questions. Let me know if you have any trouble at all.